just completed the installation of my new Dometic Ibis 4 air conditioning on my caravan, supplied to me by my generator. And now to check the inside and see how it's operating. It's just been turned on for the first time and it's working extremely well. Very cold air, very little noise and virtually no vibration. I'm extremely pleased with it. I'm very pleased that I did this through my generator. They had the best prices that I could find, including home delivery, and the unit turned up within 2 days of ordering. Very much thankful to my generator and to Dometic Ibis.